Hey guys, welcome back to another episode inside of Max's Remarkable World. Oh, it's nearly Halloween, guys. But before I start what we do today, I must get my breakfast. Num 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 num. Very tasty. Right, yeah, I don't think I'll take a dog today. And I must, of course, go and add someone to the great tree of subs. But first of all, I must address that since it's nearly Halloween, I've decorated the house, I've added a few gingies to wither roses, I've changed the pattern up to here. Yeah, I've only really decorated the house area for Halloween. I've added a few vines around the area and stuff, which is pretty cool. Nearly Halloween, guys. Our second Halloween. When it's Halloween, it'll be our 1 year anniversary since, the Christmas special from 2024. But now I need to go see who I'm adding today. Today I'm adding Doechii or Doechii or whatever. Doechii. Listening because she's a singer I've been listening to recently. I only know the song Anxiety she did, and then the other one, which is the breathing exercises one. I don't know the full name of that. But yeah, Doechii, welcome to the Great Trade Subs. If you didn't see in the last episode, well, you probably did. I think what I did was, me and Leo were playing our minigame over there. And, basically, in the secret base, he got me cats. Here they are. Here are my cats. And basically, I'm building them a place to stay. And, yep, there's a mask on there, by the way. And I've got a good design, and I've got a good place for where they can go and live. I'm going to be making a little cave area for them. Anyway, let's not waste any time here, and let's start work. Probably going to need this and this. We'll see. There we go. We only are doing the outside today, so this probably won't really take long. Sorry guys, I'm going to put my headphones on. I'm sorry for the noise. Guys. Right, anyway, so, okay, that's that done. Why the fuck are they so loud? Right then, doesn't matter. Alright. Oh wait, hold on. Yep, I remember. What does it look like? Oh yeah. There we go. That's better now, doesn't it? Right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 8. 2, 1, 2. Aha. Right, I'll dig out this area. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2. 1, 2. 2. Yeah, guys, I'm just gonna quickly, you know what, let's do this. Yep, just gonna mine out some of this area. Let's start breaking out all of this, which is pretty easy. Pretty easy by digging out all this. This is the place they're going to be living in. I'll do the interior in the next episode, and like, you know, that should be good enough, like, if you know what I mean. And yep, do this. But we'll mostly be relying on this thing. Yep, start getting rid of all this. Which is just, you know, it's easy. Yeah, I only put the headphones on to like help like try and reduce the noise. Sorry about the noise, by the way, guys, but it doesn't matter. We can just progress with digging out all this, can't we? I never usually show myself like excavating, like, you know, you never usually see me excavate like any like areas like whatsoever. Like, hey, what? This is what we're going to be building in next episode. Yeah, if you want, I can do that. No, yeah, easy. Right, sorry if I'm not talking much, guys. Sometimes it is awkward, isn't it? I'm not really a good commentator, and I'm not really good at talking. Well, I am good at talking, but like, I don't really talk all the time. I'm awkward, aren't I? But yeah, anyway, let's just dig out some more of this area, which is you know, nice and easy, I would imagine. And this. Oh yeah, in November it's my birthday. It's pretty cool. Yeah, it's my birthday in November, so it's on November 2nd, so I don't know if in the world we'll be doing anything for it, which we probably will, to be fair. My helpers might have something planned for that day. But guys, you know what we're doing on Halloween? Well, you know my little Halloween restaurant that I built? Like, yeah, it's where I'm going to be. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Yeah, that is what we're going to be doing on Halloween. We are going to be. I'm going to be booking a restaurant reservation for me and my helpers, and we're basically going to go over to the Halloween restaurant, and we're going to eat, and we'll probably go. Well, like, this what's happening is after that. I'm gonna let Fred and Leo like go back to their houses and set up for trick or treating, and like I'm gonna go trick or treating to their houses basically, and it's gonna be a nice Halloween special this year. Last year I had to scare away a ghost because like they were attracted to my house, which hopefully this doesn't happen again. But anyway, yeah, that is the. Oh yeah, one more thing. A little path No, a little path here. A path here. Oh yeah, a little path here, and I'll probably add some wilderness around here, but anyway. That's the end of today's episode. If you enjoyed this house, I'm gonna give it a like. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye!